Want to make your videos pop with a glowing outline? Here's how to do it in CapCut. On mobile, start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Import your video clip, tap on it in the timeline, and navigate to the Effects tab. Under Basic or Trending, select the Neon effect. Adjust the intensity and color to your liking, and preview the effect to ensure it fits your vision. For PC users, open CapCut and start a new project. Import your video and place it on the timeline. Duplicate the video layer and place the copy above the original. Select the top layer, go to the Effects panel, and apply the Neon outline effect. Customize the glow's color, thickness, and intensity. Set the blending mode to screen or add for a seamless look. Preview your video, and once you're satisfied, export it in your desired format. And that's it. You added a glowing outline to your video using CapCut.